Yes guys, welcome back for another review. This one from Tesco, Bird's Eye Chicken Shop, hot and fiery chicken chunks. Boosh. Them ones. All your nutritional ingredients, I'll get a picture of that and get a thumbnail on there. So these were £3.50, made with 100% chicken breast, new from Tesco. Two ways to do this. You can do them in the air fryer for 3.5 minutes. Not doing that, I'm going to shove them in the oven. Talking of which. Oh yes. Preheat oven to 200. If it's a fan oven, preheat it to 180. I've not got a fan oven, just a normal oven. Whoops, said the frog. Preheat the oven, remove hot and fiery chunks from the packaging, place on a tray in the middle of the oven, turn over halfway through cooking, cook until crisp and golden. Let's crack on. Right guys, here we have them, the Chicken Stop hot and fiery chicken chunks. These are 3 flames it's got on the box, 3 flames. So apparently hot and fiery. So they say. I mean, that one looks like a strip, not a chunk. But let's get them into a bowl and let's do the taste test. Right. Bit more of a perspective now, bit different than just standing in the kitchen. So the hot and fiery chicken chunks, that one's a chicken strip because it looks like a chicken strip. Bad thing about these is you didn't get no dip with it, so I got myself some mayo dip and just spiced it up a little bit. But I'm not going to use that dip until, obviously, I've tried these. So, let's crack one open. Okay, maybe not that one. Let's crack one of these chunks open here. Let's crack this open. So you've got your 100% chicken breast right there in the middle. Quite juicy, not bad. So, ain't nothing left but to do it. So let's bite first, bite hard. Oh yes. So they've got that crunch on the coating, which is nice. The chicken's moist and juicy. Sorry, moist, don't say the M word. Some people don't like it, but these have got a bit of a kick to them, a bit of a nice little spicy kick, a nice little spicy kick. That's. But hot and fiery, they are not. Nope. They're not hot and fiery. They've got a bit of a spice kick to them. They have got a bit of a kick. I mean, yeah, okay, they're hot because they've come out the oven. Bit of mayo. Mayo. I love mayo, guys. I don't know what you're like, but I love mayo. They're actually nice. They've got a spicy kick. They've got a nice crunchy flavour. They're nice and juicy in the middle. Pick that up in a minute. But they're not hot and fiery. by far. As a matter of fact, Andrew would call this chicken soup. Probably. But, you know what? For $3.50, not bad. Not bad. It'd have been better if there would have been a few more in there. You know, but for $3.50, that's not too bad. Not too bad at all, that. Ooh. It is spicy. But not hot and fiery like it says on the packet. Nowhere near. No. Get them again? Yeah, probably. Tesco, £3.50. Not bad. Cooked from frozen. In the oven, 14 minutes, or for 3.5 minutes in the air fryer. But I did these in the oven. Chicken's nice. You can feel that little bit of a spice kick in my mouth and on the back of my throat. But yeah, they're nice. That was a good call. Got a few more videos coming up, guys, and obviously a few more over the next couple of months until me and Andy go away to Greece, which I'm quite looking forward to. Can't wait for that. But for now, I'm going to say thank you so much to every single one of the subscribers. Thank you also to the members. Thank you so much indeed to those that have always, everyone that's donated to the channel. Appreciate every single one of you. Big loves. Take care. Have a great weekend. And I'll speak to you all soon. Ta-da.